In this lesson, we will be talking about earning income through hourly wages. So just a reminder that income is money that you receive for work. So you can be paid for work in different ways. The most common way that people earn money for their work is through hourly wages. It means that you earn a set amount of money for each hour that you work. Now, to calculate a person's income, what you need to do is take the hours worked and multiply it by the person's hourly wage. So for example, if a person works 35 hours and earns $11.50 per hour, you would take 35 times $11.50 to get a total of $402.50. So in example 1, Rochelle earns $12.45 per hour as a cashier at a grocery store. Last week, she worked 30 hours. How much did Rochelle earn? So her income is equal to the hours worked times her wage, $12.45. And if you multiply that, you get 30 times $12.45, which is $373.50. Is her total income. In example 2, we have a time card. So a time card is something that shows how many hours you work on every day. So below is Jerry's time card. If Jerry earns $16.75 per hour, how much did he earn for the week? So we know that we need to do the hours worked times his income, or his hourly wage. But to find his hours worked, the first thing we need to do is we need to add up the hours. So his hours are 8 plus 6 plus 4.5 plus 8. Notice I did not add the 0. He didn't work any hours on Wednesday. So when we had 8 plus 6 plus 4.5 plus 8, it's a total of 26.5 hours, 26.5 hours. So in order to solve for his income, we will take 26.5, the hours worked, and multiply it by 16.75, which is his hourly wage. So times 16.75, he earns a total of $443.875. But remember, when we're working with money, we always want to round to 2 decimal places. So this would be $443.88 for his total income. Now, you can also use division to figure out the number of hours worked or the hourly wage. So if you're given one piece of information or the other, you can use division to solve for either hours or wage. So for example, if a person earns $405 and works 30 hours, you would take $405, their income, and divide it by 30, which is $13.50 per hour. So in example 3, Hira earns $6.50 per month selling programs at Winnipeg Jets games. If he works 50 hours per month, what is his hourly wage? So we would take his income, $650, and divide it by the hours worked. So $650 divided by 50 is $13 per hour for his hourly wage. And we can do the same thing in example 4 when it says a store clerk earns $12.70 per hour. If he earns $311.15 each week, how many hours does he work? So we want to take the total income, so $311.15, and divide it by $12.70. So you're always taking the total income and dividing it by either the hours or the wage. So we get 24.5. So you worked 24.5 hours. That is the end of the hourly wage lesson.